Hello everyone, welcome to Kid and Food Diaries. This week is very special because we have a very special day coming up, that is the Children's Day. So, in today's video, we will spend some time with kids with their favorite activities. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹರಟೆ?
ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ ಮಾಡಲೆ.
ಈ ಬುಕ್ ಎಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ ಮಾಡಲೆ?
ಎಂತಕ್ಕೆ? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಂತ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಚಿತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆಯಾ ಎಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ? So this is one of their favorite morning activities. They go for a nature walk and they call it as exploring. So in their book they just make a list of things that they find interesting. Nidhi cannot write any words by herself, so she has found her own way of making the list. They are back now after about 20 minutes. At the exploration?
7, 2, 3, 4 butterfly and honeybee, boy bulbul.
ಬಾಯ್ ಬುಲ್ಬುಲ್ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಾಯ್
ಹಾಕೊಂಡು
ಟೊಪ್ಪಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿತ್ತ ಬುಲ್ಬುಲ್?
ಬಾಯ್ ಬುಲ್ಬುಲ್, ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಹೋಪ. ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪಿಟ್ಟಣಿ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತು ಹುಳ. ಅದು
ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಇತ್ತು?
ಆರೆಂಜ್. ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಪೈಡರ್. ಇದು ಬುಲ್ಬುಲ್. ಸರಿ, ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ಹಕ್ಕಿ. ಸರಿ, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ಅಕ್ಕನ 8 ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು.
ಅಕ್ಕಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು? Who is the winner?
ಸುನಿಬಿ.
I always encourage my kids to be close to nature, and they always find different ways to be engaged with the nature, and this is one of such activities. They have themselves named it as nature exploration and sometimes they come up with a whole set of different kinds of leaves, sometimes with a bunch of wildflowers, and sometimes they list different types of insects they have found on the way. And finally when they reach home they have whole set of questions ready with them. Isn't that a nice way for kids to learn? Also, I have observed that kids naturally become more curious, focused, and their perception and memory increases when they are close to nature. Also, I have seen they become more compassionate and learn quickly how to appreciate and care Mother Nature. Here with this beautiful bunch of some wildflower, we had a detailed discussion about seed dispersion, germination and everything. And they were very curious to learn this, and I know they will never forget this.
ಸಸಿ ಯಾವುದು ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕುತ್ತೆ. ತುಂಬ ಬಿತ್ತುವಾಯಿದ್ದು.
ಅದರೊಳ ಬಿತ್ತ ಆಯ ಕಷ್ಟ ಮಗಳು.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳ ಕಪ್ಪು ಕಪ್ಪು ಕಾಣ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬಿತ್ತು. ಇದರ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಹಾರಿ ಬೀಳ್ತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಸಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಸಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ನಾನು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಸಿಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ.
Here they found some amaranthus seeds, and they even wanted to sow that and see the germination happen.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರದ್ದು ಹೇಳು? ಆರುವೆ ಸುತ್ತಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಬಿತ್ತಾಕೋಣ.
They just love this activity, and every day they go there with so much of love. They water the plants and they just enjoy being with nature, and of course they are happy about growing their own food.
And goodness, like a cat.
And after that activity, Nidhi wanted to play with bubbles, and here is our Sudhi preparing it for her.
Hello everyone. Do you know? My sister always loved to play with bubbles and she always demands a new set of bubbles. But now I can prepare my own bubble mixture and own bubble stick with coconut leaf. So come, let me show you. All you need is one glass and one spoon and the dishwash and the shampoo. You can use any other shampoo and the water and the green coconut leaf. So first we'll prepare the mixture. First we need 1 tablespoon of dishwash. Again 1 tablespoon of shampoo. Shampoo क्या था? ये आना को रखा. Little. Yeah, it's it. Mixture is done. Now let's make these bubble stick. And you should make it really smooth by removing all the leaves. Clean it. Then yes. Yes. See, it looks like this. You should always use a tender coconut leaf, otherwise it will break. Let us try. Wow, the big one. Glittery bubble. Wow! Glittery! Glitter! And you know how I learned this? I learned this from my grandma.
Great.
So if you don't have coconut leaves in your home, I have another idea. So this idea I learned from my friend Deepti. All you need is plastic spoon, a rubber band and the stapler. First, keep this rubber band like this. Stapler it. Now, let's check it.
I feel all we need to do to raise a healthy and happy child is to spend that quality time with them and to provide them with the much needed freedom and support so that they can blossom beautifully in their life. A happy Children's Day to all those precious, lovely kids out there.
Happy Children's Day. Thank you for watching and supporting us.